Ryobi has emerged as a renowned brand synonymous with innovation, dependability, and undeniable coolness in the realm of power tools. From cordless marvels to precision-driven machines, Ryobi has curated an impressive array for DIY enthusiasts. These tools are an absolute necessity for anyone interested, so without any delay, let's explore the realm of the 5 most impressive Ryobi power tools that you should check out. This tool over here is Ryobi's all-new telescoping pole pump. It's perfect for water transferring with great speed. This pole pump has 3.5 feet of underwater reach. Plus, it has 3-mode timers to make operating extremely convenient. This lightweight pole pump also comes with a debris and mud filter that keeps water transferring flawless. Thanks to its automatic shutdown system, there'll be no dry pumping. However, it also includes hose adapters for sprinklers and irrigation. So have fun, and don't mess up your water transfer. Good soil preparation and aeration keep your plant growing well. This Ryobi cultivator you see here will help you to do soil tilling in a convenient way. Whether it's your small garden or a flower bed, the 4 heavy-duty steel tines will make sure your soil is properly tilled. Worried about small areas? No problem, it's small, and compact design will allow you to work there without a hassle. Even the narrow garden rows are not a problem anymore. In addition, this cultivator lets you deal with every type of soil condition with 3 operating modes. What can be better than this? This track saw goes everywhere you go, and takes on any job you throw at it. The Ryobi brushless track saw allows up to 55 inches of controlled, accurate cutting. With the adjustable depth switch, you can make precise square and plunge cuts anytime, anywhere. And the substantial cut depth will never let you down while dealing with busy workshop days. This track saw delivers the power you need in the runtime you demand, with great portability and versatility alongside. The convenient dust cleaning system is another pro feature of the tool that will keep you absolutely dust-free. You can ignore how the snow has blocked your front yard until you have to go out. This cordless snowblower is here to take care of those issues with high performance and advanced technology. It gets started quickly, with just a push of a button. This snowblower easily cuts through harsh snow and is an excellent alternative to gas. Wait, there's a fun fact here. You can adjust the 180-degree directional chute to throw the snow anywhere you want. And yes, the telescoping handle easily folds down for easy storage. So now you'll get gas-like power but with cordless convenience. To bring a superior finished look to your lawn, you definitely need a mower. But more surprisingly, what if you could ride on it? Yup, this is the zero-turn riding mower from Ryobi. It will make you feel like you're driving a mini ATV around the yard. You can operate this mower with its intuitive joystick, so the total control will be in the palm of your hand. Sounds great, right? The best part of the mower is it needs no gas or fumes to run, and the noise? Well, your family won't even know you're mowing the lawn. Also, it has a premium seat that won't bother you on long rides. So, that was our list of the 5 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful.